Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini 13 Oktober 2021. Today I'm going to show how to draw assignment 2 using Autodesk Inventor. So this is the assignment or the exercise that I would like you to try using the software Autodesk Inventor. If, however, you don't have the Autodesk Inventor software or your computer is not be able to run the software efficiently, you can try to draw this exercise using SolidWorks. Although the features of SolidWorks will be slightly different compared to Autodesk Inventor. So this is the exercise that we will going to do. So I'll put this aside and I open the Autodesk Inventor. So this is the interface of Autodesk Inventor. So after you create a new part, just click on the start to the sketch over here and you select on the XY plane. Okay, if I go back to the figure over here, I'm going to start my drawing. I'm going to start my drawing on the circle at the center over here. This will be my starting point. It is important for you to decide where are you going to start your drawing so that it can be as a point of reference for you later on. Okay, let me put aside this drawing. Okay, draw a circle at the center. And before that, please do not forget to change the unit to millimeter. Okay, simply go to Tools, Document Setting, Units, Length, change to millimeter, and Mass, change to kilogram. Click Apply and Close. Okay, go back to Sketch, Circle, and you want to draw a circle with 44 mm diameter. Okay, and then draw a line to the right. The length is not important right now, just draw a line and then press escape, right click on that line and select construction. When you select construction, this line will be changed to dotted line. Okay, do another line and now it's going to up here. Okay, once you press click, then press escape, then right click and select construction. Do it another time, construction. Okay, now using the dimension tools, you want to define the angle 40 degree. So using the line 40 degree dimension, click on this line and click on this line. So should be 40 degree. Okay, so click again to turn off the features or press escape. And now we want to draw another circle. This should be somewhere over here. So the concept I'm using is that we draw the circle first. And then the distance can be determined later on using the dimensional tools that I did over here. This one should be 60. So you can see that now the circle has been brought to the correct location. So another circle, the inside circle, and this one should be 22. So dimension 22. Okay, and then if we look back at the drawing over here, we are trying to draw the circle on the right hand side and we want to complete the 40 degree angle over here. So select the arc and select the arc center point. Select at the center point and then go up over here. Yeah. Do one more time. Go up over here. One more time. Up over here. And one more time. Here. So just to be sure, we do it one more time to determine the center of circle at the top side over here. So create another circle. This is for 22mm diameter, and another one which is 44. Okay, so now we already draw most of the thing on the right hand side, but you can see there are a lot of lines that we do not want. So by using the function trim, where is it, trim? Okay, click, and then we remove the thing that we don't want from the figure. If you accidentally remove any line, you can simply undo using Ctrl Z. Okay, so we accidentally move several lines that we need, especially at the center, so we can draw it again. So when you want to click, make sure the point turning into green, and your second click should be on this side over here, the green dot, and this is the third click. Okay, so now we have completed on the right hand side the semicircle with the angle 40 degrees. So now we are going to draw on the left hand side the two semicircle with the diameter of 22. Okay, so again, just draw a circle first on the right hand side with the diameter of 44. Okay, and then the distance is given 148 from this point to this point. It should be 148. Okay, so draw another circle, also 44, and the distance should be 25. From here to here, it is 25. Right, and then we want to draw a line, a tangent line connecting these two circles. So this one is the tangent line that we learned earlier today. So you go to the center of the circle and then drag your mouse without clicking the mouse. Take it to the top, and when you reach the top, click over here and then go to the second circle, do the same thing, okay, and do on the line over there. So repeat the process at the bottom, okay, and then click trim to remove any curve that it is not necessary. Okay, now we have completed the outer circle. Now we want to draw the inner circle, which is 22 in diameter. Over here is 22, similar to over here, 22, and then connect the lines using this one. So the symbol you saw over here, the O and the line, indicate that this point, their relationship between the line and the circle is tangent. So go to trim. Okay, now it is almost done on the left hand side. So now we are going to draw the top circle over here. Let me put this aside first. First, we just put the circle anywhere that we want with the correct dimension. Here is 38. So dimension 38. Now we want to place the circle at the correct place. So click dimension. dimension from this point to this line should be 48, and then the dimension of this one to over here should be 19. Okay, so now the circle is already at a correct place. It's already at the correct place. So another circle at the inside, this one is 19.05. and now we have draw almost every circle that is required in this exercise. The one that we didn't draw yet is this curve over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we are going to try to draw the tangent curve. There are 5 of them, so I try to do it one by one. So create a circle first. We are going to start over here. Create a circle with the diameter of 32. This one is given. The radius given is 16. Okay, now by using this constraint tangent, click this one, select the component that you want the thing to be tangent with. Okay, so just like that. So you can see that the relationship between these two curves is indicated by this icon over here, which represent tangent. So as usual, I click trim and remove the part that I don't want. So only left with the tangent curve over here. Now we are going to repeat the same step over here. So create a circle, this one with the size of 88. The given radius is 44. Okay, now it's too big, so we should move it outside a little bit. Okay, again clicking this tangent features, and then select the component that you want it to be tangent, and this line and this curve and this line. Okay, now you've seen that the line or the component over here at the bottom, they change a little bit. This is what we don't want, because we want the semicircle here to be fixed on the line. Okay, I undo, and then change it to a little bit to the top, and I'm going to try again. Okay, now you can see that the semicircle is going upward. This is also the thing that we don't want. Okay, I'm going to undo. So it's better for me to convert all of this blue line to become black. You can see that there are two types of line over here, blue and black. Black meaning that the lines or the curve is already fixed. The position cannot be changed because it's already been defined. What do I mean? It is already been defined, meaning that I already told the software that the position of this black line should not change through the dimension tools. So how going to do it? Okay, you can see now it started to turn black. Black meaning that it's already defined. So can we do it like this? Okay, tak boleh. Alright, so we do it using dimension. Okay. And try to define the point. Okay, now it's already turned black. So once it is turned black, most probably it will not change the position anymore. So click constraint, this line and this one. Okay, now you can see that the big circle are the one who are moving rather than the semicircle that we want to stay fixed. So you want, once you complete the drawing of your component, you want them to be, this one is a little bit weird. Okay, later on we address that. Okay, so now we just trim the thing that we don't want. So 1, 2, okay, so let me focus on this over here. It's supposed to connect nicely. I'm not sure what happened. And this one I can just try to delete and do again. Okay, so better to do it again. So arc, center point, okay. And then another circle. Okay, now it just nicely touch the tip of the line over there. So sometimes for me, if something happen and I cannot repair the thing, I just delete the component and try to do it again. Okay. Now we are going to try to draw the circle over here at the bottom part. So we start with something at the center. This one is 17. Dimension is 70. And then the one circle over here is 16. 16 is 32. Again, using the tool of tangent, just click this one and go to here, and this one go to here. Okay, now you see this circle, it move, although we want it to stay fixed. Now how we are going to do it? Okay, try to define. Okay, still not turning black yet. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so now it doesn't move, so we just trim the thing that we don't want. Okay, also over here, here, this one, this one, this one. This one no need, just leave it as for now, because we want to connect this curve to this line over here. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, do a line like this one. Okay, and using this tool tangent, click this line and this circle, and again this line and this circle over here. Okay, so you can see that the line touches the curve with the tangent features, so it's very straightforward and easy. Just remove thing that we don't want, especially over here. Okay, so now I think I've completed the drawing, except the one at the center. The one at the center I miss. So this one, what is the, okay, this one is 28. 28. Okay, 28.52 to be exact. Okay, so this is the final output of the exercise. You should get something similar like this. And I think to all of you, to some of you, this is your first time experience using Autodesk Inventor to draw this kind of exercise. So I hope you can follow the instruction that I share with you in this video. Should you feel quite difficult or not understand any part of it, please let me know so that I can assist you in any way I can. Thank you very much.